What's up guys, so today I'm going to show you all a quick and easy way of how to get Lucky Patchers so that you can modify any game that you want to. But before we get into that guys, I got this red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away to one of you lucky viewers. So if you guys want to enter that giveaway, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment down below why you want the phone. Okay guys, let's get into this video.
So the first step to this process is you want to open up Google, and then you want to go to the website that I have linked down below. Okay guys, so once you're here, you want to just scroll down until you see the Lucky Patcher Plus Plus app. You'll see a big smiley face icon on the left side of the screen. I see it right here, so go ahead and click that. Then what it says, download Lucky Patcher. So you click that, it says tweaking app. So basically what this is doing is preparing your phone to download the Lucky Patcher app. Okay guys, so it says preparing human verification. So what this means is it's going to send you to a CAPTCHA completion challenge. As you guys can see right here, it's the CAPTCHA completion challenge. So what this is, it has 4 different offers here, all with very simple instructions. As you can see here with Norton Secure, all you got to do is download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. Okay guys, so what you want to do here, you just want to click the plus free button, hit OK, and then it's going to send you here to the App Store. As you guys can see, this is a legit app, 3.8 star rating with 17,000 reviews. Okay guys, so after you install this, you want to click open. Then it'll bring you here, and then you just simply follow the instructions. Just run the app for 30 seconds, just tap around in it. Okay guys, so after you do that, then you want to go through and complete the rest of the offers. So for this one, it says download and sign up to unlock this content. And then for Solitaire, download and win 3 games to unlock this content. And then here at the bottom, you can see I have a survey. So what you would do here, you just complete the survey, guys. It's very simple.
Alrighty guys, so once you've completed that process, then you should have the Lucky Patcher app installed on your phone, whether it's Android or iOS. Okay guys, let me know down in the comment section if you have any problems with that. Just drop your social media so I can DM you and help you with any problems. And guys, once again, I got this red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away, so if you want to enter that, like, subscribe, and then comment what you need the phone for. Thank you guys for watching.